So in this previous video, I discussed about types of operators, and we went through arithmetic operators also, where we will do operations on mathematical terms, and at the end result will be different numbers of same type. But here we will be using logical operations, where we'll do comparisons and all, not logical operators, called comparison operators, where it will compare two different values and it will give a result as true or false based on the condition. Let's say I do a comparison like, if I do a comparison like arithmetic operation 5 plus 2, the result will be 3. But if I use an arithmetic comparison operation like 5 greater than 2, it will be either true or false. 5 greater than 2 is true, so it will be true. The other result will be false if it is wrong. So the expected value of these operations is only either true or false, Boolean values. So we can use this comparison operations in, see, this is called operator and this is called operand, and complete process is called operation. So these operations will result as Boolean values, true or false. So as it giving Boolean values, we can use them in later loops and condition statements for defining our paths, for creating logics. Okay, so now let's go to it one by one. This symbol represents greater than. So 5 greater than 2 represents either it is whether 2 value is greater than 5 or not. As it is 5 greater than 2 is correct. So that's why we'll get the value as true. If we define 5 less than 2, definitely 5 is not less than 2. So the result will be false, Boolean value. And greater than or equal to. So it will check either greater or equal. So any of them should be true. So 5 greater than or equal to will be true. Less than or equal to will be false. Let's say 4 greater than or equal to 4. 4 greater than 4 is false. 4 equal to 4 is true. So either of them should be true, right? So this will return true because of R. Similarly, less than or equal to. If you want to check on equality, 5 equal to 4. If I keep only a single one, it will be an assignment. Just for assigning left side variable with right side value. For checking the equality, we'll use double equal to. For checking not equality, I will use not equal to. This is not equal to symbol. So not equal to, double equal to, let's say some A is equal to 4, B is equal to 4. Both are having same values. So A equal to B will give me true. But if you come to is and is not, this is for comparison of objects reference, not the values inside it. If two different objects is having same values, this is operation will give me false only because both are two different objects, even the values are same. You will understand more about this when we dive into object-oriented concepts. Now just ignore this. Just need to know that is and is not are reverse, like not equal to and not equal to, and used mainly in the object-oriented concepts. So a sample execution. Here I am defining 3 variables, 5, 10, and 10. So number 2 is greater than number 1. 10 is greater than 5. So it will be true. So 1 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 10. It is false. So 2 and 3 both are same. So it will be true. 3 and 1. 3 not equal to 5. Yeah, 3 is not equal to 5. So it will be true. 3 plus 10. So at the operation sequence, this will be done first. Always arithmetic operations will be done first. 3 plus 10, 13. 5 plus 5, 10. 13 is equal to 10. It is false. So it will be false. 3 less than or equal to 2. That is also false. So run module. You see, these are false and these are true. So that's it. Just a basic introduction to logical comparison operators. We'll use them in the preceding sections. Thanks for watching this video.